Hey everybody, it's Andrew from HoneyCart, and in this video, I'm going to show you how our auto assign feature works. So, right out of the box, if you have HoneyCart and you get a new order, you have the ability to assign a staff member to that order, like to make sure that everything gets taken care of or however you prefer to do things. And the way that would work right now is that when you got a new order, you'd have to come into the order right here and then click here to manually assign somebody to the order every time you get one, right? And so now after you do that, you'll see that this person here is assigned. And so that can be pretty tedious once you start getting a lot of orders, or maybe you have a large sales team and there are certain people on the team that's dedicated to handling all of the orders for one or a handful of big customers. Or maybe you have a manager that kind of triages new orders as they come in and dispatches them to whoever they think is the best salesperson to manage that order or this whole new customer. And so this auto assign feature that we created, it'll auto assign a salesperson of your choice as soon as the order comes in when the customer places it on your HoneyCart store. So I'm going to show you really quick how that works. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can set a specific order type to be assigned to anybody on your staff. So let's say I have a corporate drop-off order type, and I want to go ahead and assign it to my manager, who is Melissa Gomez, right? So every new order that comes in is going to get automatically assigned to her. And from there, she can review it and then dispatch it or assign it to anybody else on the staff. As always, you have the option to leave new orders as being unassigned, right? But let's say you've already figured out that for one particular customer, I'll use myself as an example. Here, if you go to your customers, you can now assign at the customer level who should be always handling this person's account. Now, for going back to my corporate drop-off example, let's say every time I get this type of order from this customer, I always want it to go to Dustin because he's going to be their personal account manager. So once you do that, boom, he'll get assigned every single time Andrew places an order, or in the case of any type of corporate drop-off order, it's going to get assigned to Melissa, the manager. So I'll show you really quick how that works in when I place an order. 1 second. So here I am Andrew, and I'm going to place my order on the website, and you can see that I chose corporate drop-off as my order type. So once I place this order, it's going to get assigned to, I believe it's Dustin automatically. 1 second, I'll switch right over. Okay, so here I'm back in my account. I'm just going to go ahead and go back here to the orders screen. This is the order that I just placed, and now you can see it was automatically assigned to Dustin right here. And so that's about it. If you have a lot of orders coming in, if you have a lot of salespeople on your team and you need to route them to the right salesperson, this auto assign feature is going to save you guys a ton of time. And if you have any questions, please let us know at info@gethoneycart.com. Thanks.